Guess I'll start recording before everyone gets here. Clean up the car. Which way? Which way? Which way? Let's see here. What is Fuel Run? What's this all about? Is that a Julia Gulia? This clean thing. Don't like the color scheme, but everything else is so good. Look at that thing. This thing being a jackass. Great, muscle cars starting to show up. Only a few bikes. Pretty girls love fast cars. Alright. We're here before the bikes, which is good, so less jackasses. Oh, I hear one in the distance now. Hate bikes. Hate them. Oh yeah, for sale, 12.5. Oh, it seems a little steep to me. What do I know? We got Chris Honda, the celebrity. But yeah, back to this. This seems a little pricey for this, doesn't it? 12.5? It's not like what they were brand new. Knockoff TEs look pretty good. Oh, look at that. Gen 3 swap. The Blofeld put on their weird with the carbon shield. Man, I'm glad I didn't get that. Said the MR2 having hard pipes. Nice. 3rd gen swap on a non-turbo, but obviously turbo down, you know what I'm saying. Nothing over there worth looking at. And then over here, this is all blocked off for some reason. I don't know why. Not sure. But that's amazing. Oh, amazing. Huh? Oh, that would have been a great video. Sorry I missed that. I'm going to tell you what it was because I'd be a jerk. Oh my, look at this. Hell yeah.
Yeah. In the Midwest, you don't want race there. Because they'll absorb all the moisture.
Look at that. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, that's kinda crazy. What's up? That's cool, but what the? Rally Fighter. what the hell this thing was. Huh. Excuse me. Another Cobra. What's in this one? Look at the ITBs. Kapow, sitting over there. Luckily, music's playing, and it don't matter for me because I don't have any followers. Hide from me. I don't think so, buddy. Yeah, I think it would be nice once you get all that painted. Once he's able to afford getting all that carbon painted, this car will look good. I respect the work in progress. You gotta do what you gotta do till you can afford to get it painted, you know? Or wrapped, or whatever you're gonna do. I'm more like, well, I'd be embarrassed. I would want to cover it up right away, but work in progress. It's all right. No, it's oh, it is a 360, isn't it? Never mind. His was 430.
Yeah, I've been looking. It's like a almost military green.
Yeah, those wheels too. They're like Leonardo gray, but they're not shiny. Yeah, it looks great. Andy's FC. That's his Super Dupra.
This one, damn,
With the HREs.
So is everything done to this? I imagine.
2JZ. I have an opportunity to get one of these. Really clean though. I just couldn't get myself to do it. Nice car. It's cool. I love these taillights. Oh, this one's left-hand drive. The one I'll be getting will be right. It's an actual 180, but it has those taillights and stuff. I just got my car and said, if I got this, I wouldn't have kept it. Let's be real. This next car I think I'm going to keep. Oh, those wheels. Junior's S14. That changes colors every other day. Fall in love with that color. There it is. I just can't do a Honda. I can't. I can do a Honda like CBR. Speaking of Hondas, it's the Celebrity. Got a Trans Am Swap WRX right here. See the fire chicken on the hood? Isaiah loves it.
Already know.
He says he calls himself Smokey, and he rolls around following semi trucks. Recording for a while, but look at this thing. V10 Plus. Check out these side scoops. Oh, one day, Isaiah, one day. Oh, 434. Some infinity wheels from the G35.
What's your brand?
Damn. This shit. Sheesh.
Yeah, that bike's way expensive than our bike.
Oh, it is.
Well, that's Sunday. That's Sunday, boys.